Change language on book.com. Hey guys, Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to change the language in the book.com app. If you like this type of content, we have more related videos. Subscribe and leave a like. I'm always making helpful videos for you guys. So let's get started. I'm already in the book.com app. Click on Profile at the bottom or Profile if it's in English. In the Profile section, you'll see some options. Scroll down and click on Settings or Configurações. In Settings, you'll see more options. Look for Languages or Idioma. Click and change to your preferred language. In this case, I'll select Portuguese, Brazil. That's it, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. I'll wrap it up here. Big hug. God bless you all. Thanks, guys.